What's up, peeps? It's Monday. Perhaps your weekend looks something like this. Honey, of course I know where I am. You don't know where you are. I know where I am. We took this trip to the mountains. The GPS isn't working. Look, I know where I am. We're lost. We're not lost. You should pull over and ask for directions. I don't need to ask for directions. Only wusses ask for directions. I know where I am. You know, guys, on this Monday, I meet so many people who don't want to ask for directions. It's crazy to me. We are currently getting everything set up here in Riverview Center. I have put together more furniture, more TVs, more everything, and everything I'm putting together. Video games, we put it all together, and everything comes with directions. Whiteboards, arcade games, printers, they all come with directions. And when my son's friend was here, we were installing a TV and we were having some issues. And I was like, well, let me read the directions. And he's like, what? Read the directions? Who's going to read the directions? Guys, I do. I also ask for directions if I need to. Why? Guys, this life is flashing by at 1,000,000 miles an hour. All of us are hurtling towards our death every single day. So when you ask someone else who knows the area, if you ask a local how to get someplace, guess what? They are a subject matter expert for that area. If you read the directions for the people that put together your TV, unless it's IKEA, no offense IKEA, your directions suck. But anyone else, the directions help you drive down the path and understand what you're putting together, where you're going, what you're doing. Directions help us time collapse. Because how much time do you waste trying to figure out where you're going, trying to figure out how to put something together? So all you out there who say, directions are a waste of time, good for you. You are wasting hours, days, weeks, years of your life knuckling your way through things when you could actually have somebody else who could give you the subject matter expertise to accelerate. You know what, guys? Coaching is no different than that. I meet so many people out there in this day and age who say, you're a coach? Why do I need a coach? I don't need a coach. You know what? Coaches are amazing, man. Life is so complicated in this day and age. How do we be the best version of ourselves? How do we be good leaders? How do I be a good dad? How do I be a good husband? How do I get involved in my community? How do I grow a business? How do I build wealth for myself? How do I try and maintain myself in shape? How do I shoot a gun and protect my family? All of these things, there are people out there like myself who have experience in them, and now I have created a job and a passion, not even a mission, to try and help people be better in those areas. So you can muddle through and try and figure it out on your own, and maybe you will, maybe you won't. I have spent a lifetime. I was a firearms instructor when I was a SEAL instructor. I meet so many people who fancy themselves, oh yeah, I'm a great shot, I'm great with firearms, and they have horrible basic skills. Horrible. Their foundation is terrible, which makes it very difficult to teach them when we start moving up into more of combat shooting, defensive shooting scenarios, which ultimately, if you shoot a gun, really, that's what your base should be. So guys, at the end of the day, you should seek out a coach. Get off that X, get off your ego, start humbling yourself. If you don't know where you are, ask for directions. There's a subject matter expert there that can probably tell you, and you can time collapse to get where you're going faster. Read the directions that people give. I do, man, it helps me put together things so much faster. And if you need help in coaching, man, I'm part of an amazing group, the Legacy Tribe, myself, Bedros Koulian, Bryce Henson, and along with amazing guest coaches we bring in, we want to help you to give you the directions that you can find success in your life, personally, physically, professionally. Legacy Tribe opens up once every quarter, so if you want to check out the link, you can join our meeting. We will open up again in April. If you want to click on the link below, you can join our email list and be notified when we open back up, and you can learn more about it. So it's Monday. Read the directions, guys. Time collapses life. It's going by way too fast. make sure you're maximizing the time you have. That's Monday Muster. I'm out.